Hello, and welcome. I'm your dietitian, here to help you understand hypertension or high blood pressure. Did you know that hypertension is a leading cause of heart disease and stroke? The good news is, with the right lifestyle changes and diet, it's possible to manage or even prevent it. Let's explore how hypertension or high blood pressure is a silent condition that can lead to serious health issues like heart disease. But with the right steps, it's manageable. Here's how you can prevent and manage it. 1. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 2. Reduce salt and avoid processed foods. 3. Stay active, aim for 30 minutes of exercise daily. 4. Manage stress with yoga or meditation. 5. Drink plenty of water and limit alcohol and caffeine. Small changes lead to big results. Take control of your blood pressure and live healthier.